Hey guys, it's another time out with Grace, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to decorate a cake with whipped cream. Yes, guys, I know it's a lot of hassle for most of us to decorate a cake with whipped cream. So today I'm going to be showing you step by step ways on how to do this. First of all, I've whipped up my cream and decorating my cake right now. I have a single layer cake of vanilla and red velvet, and I'm decorating it with whipped cream today. First, I whip up the whipped cream, and then I try to crumb coat the cake first with a little of the whipped cream, and I just make it go round. Then when I'm done with the first crumb coating of this cake, I'm going to add another whipped cream to it to take it round again the second time. This is the second crumb coat I am going to do on this cake, and when I'm done with this, I'm going to pop it into the refrigerator for it to firm up. I'm going to pop it and also pop in the whipped cream, the remaining whipped cream, so it firms up for the final round of the decoration. So if you're a beginner and it's your first time on this channel, just stay tuned as I have more interesting content for you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment for me and tell me what your question is, or where you would like me to help, or the contents you would like me to create for you. So just leave a comment for me and tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget that on this channel I'll be sharing with you ways you can position yourself and your brand for opportunities both international and national. So stay tuned, hit the notification bell so you get updated whenever I post a new video. Tada! So you might be following me on various social media platforms and you might not see the updates when I update it. So don't fail to hit the notification bell so that you get updates, first hand notification. So this cake has been inside the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and I brought it out again together with the whipped cream, so you can see now it's firm and I can easily work with it. So all I have to just do is I have to take the whipped cream by the side and make it go round by the side, and then I'll also have to apply it on the top of the cake too. It's very firm right now, and oh my god, you don't want to miss out on this process. It helps you decorate this cake without stress. Whipped cream is very easy to make, but when it comes to how soft it is, can you handle it? I don't know. So I'm sharing this video with you so you get update on how you can be able to handle whipped cream without stress. It's not like buttercream where you can just do the process and everything just goes smoothly. Whipped cream is very easy to make, but if you don't know the tricks and the tips, you can be stressed out making this. So pop it into the refrigerator. After composing the first time, bring it out again together with your whipped cream. The work begins. Very, very nice. It's going to be so awesome. All you just have to do is make it go round and then you smooth it out. This is where the whole beauty comes out. Okay, so do this, guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm not trying to make it perfect for now, so when I'm smoothing it out, it's going to turn out very nice. So what I just have to do is first make it go round, apply the whipped cream all around the cake, make it go round. So you can see what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to smoothen the top, applying extra whipped cream where there's no whipped cream so that it's even. Okay, so just do this with your palette knife. As you can see, it's already turning out very beautiful. There's still a lot of work to be done, no? Yes, but this is a stepping stone. So yes, my smoother, I'm just going to walk around my cake by the side so that everything just slaps so well. Hi, if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more interesting content. Don't forget to like this video for me, share it, even leave a comment for me. Let me know what you think. As you can see now, I'm just walking around the edges. even with whipped cream you can get sharp edges. So you can get sharp edges with buttercream, with fondant, and also with whipped cream. As you can see, this is the technique I'm using to get my sharp edge for this cake. So when I'm done, I'm decorating this cake right now. As you can see, I've sprinkled some gold dust mixed with edible spirit on this cake. I sprinkled it with a brush, and I just wanted this fancy effect of gold dust on the cake. And I'm placing the topper I'm using for this cake. If you watch, I'm placing this topper by the side, and I haven't piped the border yet because I want the topper to fit in so well before I pipe the border. So I wanted the topper to be by the side because I'm going to do an extra decoration on the other side. And you can see my piping bag is filled with whipped cream together with a coupler and an icing nozzle, and I'm just trying to create a very beautiful effect on the top of this cake so it comes out very, very, very fine. Yes guys, so you can try out anything at all you want with this method. You can try any type of design at all. So you can see I'm placing my flowers. It was very difficult deciding what to do on this flower, so because I designing a cake with flowers can be very extreme. You have to be certain of which one you're putting and where you're putting each one. So I forget it. I was just trying to think of a beautiful way on how to place this flower. I think I finally found out how to do it. So I'm just going to put in the flowers and make it look very beautiful and stunning. I'll also decorate with some chocolate coins to make everything rhyme very, very well. These chocolate coins are edible, but the flowers are not edible. The flowers are artificial flowers. So you can also use royal fondant flowers to decorate your cake, whatever that suits you. Okay, I'm just going to put the flowers and try to create a very beautiful effect on this cake. So guys, if you've been watching up to this very point, thank you so much for staying tuned. As you can see, I was just trying to think of any other thing I can do on this cake, but left alone this cake is so beautiful and I'm excited. You can see that from my expression. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment for me. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and tell me what you think about this video. Stay tuned for more content, guys. Here comes our birthday cake. Hope you can try this and let me know.